Hello everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and spring 2023 is here, which means that the semester started. So I usually make a video saying classes started, and I've kind of forgot to do that. So classes started last Monday, and I kind of just want to go over the 6 classes that I am taking. Yes, I'm taking 6 classes. I know a lot of people have been overwhelmed by 6 classes, and hopefully I'm not. So far, I can see that it's a lot of work, but I also can see how I could stay on top of that work. So I'm challenging myself to just continue to stay on top of it and just see how everything goes. I should be pretty confident of where I stand between like March and April. I actually feel like this semester is like the most crucial semester for me just because of the things that I'm learning. I think that they're going to be very useful for me just for a better understanding of code and what actually goes on behind the scenes. So with that being said, this might not be a long video, but it might, I'm not sure. I just want to go over what I'm actually doing. The first class is systems programming. Now this is actually a continuation of the class that I had last semester, systems programming, but that was system programming 1. So this is actually 2, so part 2. We're kind of just going more in depth with what we're doing for Linux. He told me that we were actually going to be making our own terminal, which I'm actually kind of excited for. I'm gonna put that on my GitHub. Maybe, hopefully it doesn't suck, because if it sucks, then it's not going there, or it's just going to be privated. Class number 2 is senior seminar, where I have to take a topic, just a computer science topic, and just kind of go very in depth into it and write a paper on it, and also create a program related to that topic. Now, me, naturally, being who I am, I want to do something with web development, but it kind of poked holes in what I wanted to do. So I have to kind of rethink how I'm going to do whatever I want to do in web development and do it. I want to start like working on that, because whenever I'm like not doing anything and like I knock all my YouTube videos out, I can just be getting ahead on that because I have all semester. But yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this entire class is basically just me working towards one big project, kind of. Now number 3 is computer organization, which really just tells me everything about the hardware of a computer, which I'm also excited about, because while I do have like a vague understanding of everything, I would like to go more in depth with it, and these classes are just forcing me to learn them, and that's what I appreciate about college. What I don't appreciate is the price, but we're not going to go there, okay? We're just going to be happy that we're learning about the hardware of the computer and really how it works with the code. Like, we're going to be working with some assembly in this class, which I'm kind of indifferent about, but I mean, I have to do it, and if anything, it's just going to better me. Now 4th, we have my least favorite class, computer ethics, social and legal issues. I kind of don't even want to go into depth, but it's just kind of like the legal side of everything, how to effectively communicate, work in teams, a lot of writing, a lot of reading. I don't know, that's pretty much it. Now on to the 5th class, database management. I'm excited about this class. I have a Udemy course on databases. I plan on doing this Udemy course alongside the class for double understanding, and so I can just finish the Udemy course, because if I don't, it's probably just going to sit there forever. And number 6, last but not least, this is operating systems. Now this class, I don't really have words for it. I kind of just plan on going to class, listening, studying, and passing. One thing I can say that I'm excited about in this class is learning memory management. I believe that I'm actually going to be learning memory management in 3 different classes, which is good, because I mean, I've went over them in the past, but honestly, I still don't fully understand it. So with me going over it 3 different times in one semester, I'm pretty sure it should really drill it into my brain on how it works, getting it explained 3 different times. And if it does, I can explain it to you guys in hopefully a much better way, so you can understand it, because my goal at the end of the day is to actually help you guys out also. In the 3 classes I'm going to be learning at it, it's actually computer organization, systems programming, and the operating systems class. So with that being said, those are the 6 classes that I'm going to be taking. With all these classes I'm taking, I'm actually pretty free in terms of time. Like I have a lot of time to work for my internship, like max out my hours, and I have enough time to study because of the way my classes are set up. Like 4 of my classes are once a week and 2 of them are twice a week, which is really perfect. That's pretty good. The only thing that's not so perfect is that I have a Saturday class, but when you want to graduate, you'll pretty much do anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Tell me what classes you're taking this semester, and if you're not in college and you graduated, tell me what job you're working. Or if you're not doing that and you're just self-studying, tell me what you're learning right now, and we're just gonna keep going up together, you know? That's been the plan since the beginning, and it's gonna be the plan until the end. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's